on, guys? We're here with another detail. Today we have a Yukon, pretty new car. Lives on a gravel road, so a lot of dust. We'll get it all cleaned up. So stay tuned till the end for the results, and we'll see how clean we can get it.
Well, it was about 2 weeks ago my client reached out to me saying they're in desperate need of a detail. You can see how dusty it is already. Well, by the end, I guess you'll see if we made it look brand new again. So throughout this video, let's see what we did. So for me, to start every single detail I do a pre-rinse wash. So right here you can see me, I'm going to start on the wheel wells here. These are carpet lined wheel wells, which means everything gets stuck in them pretty well. So I spend a pretty good amount of time on these, get all the dirt out, and then we're going to move to the rest of the vehicle. Just getting a pre-rinse wash, and then we're going to move to the foam wash coming up here soon. Well, after watching countless YouTube videos over the years, I can say I've tried to perfect the art of washing a car. Well, most people do tires before the body, but for me it just makes more sense to do the body before the tires, working top to bottom, which is why we're starting with the foam wash here. So as we are moving on to the tires and wheels now, I just want to say a special thank you to all you guys for continuing to support and watch this video. All my social media will be in the description below, and if you guys are interested, my website is also linked below to schedule a detail today. as you guys can see, we have some very dirty car mats today. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be using the power washer. We're gonna rinse it all down, use some stain remover, and then a drill brush to get it off. Now on some of these, I did have to go over them several times because of how much stuff was baked into it. But by the end, we got all looking clean. One of those examples of stuff being baked in is right here. You can see there's some sort of gum or some sort of sticky thing that I'm gonna have to bend down here and get out with my fingernails. We're gonna go over it one more time with the drill, and then it should be looking new. Well, when your job is detailing cars, you find some pretty odd stuff. Well, today, it was none other than Tangy Barbecue. I know what you guys are thinking. Wait a minute, he's gonna get those crumbs on the other side of the seat, right? Well, don't worry, when we went to the other side we got them, but we couldn't see around the car seat here. So what you're gonna see here in a minute is a special pet hair tool that I have to get all the pet hair out of here. It has 3 different bristles on it. We're gonna use the smaller today to get as much out as we can. Since this is a reoccurring client we got here, we're gonna go ahead and do a complimentary shampooing of their trunk here. Obviously they have a pet that goes back here quite a bit, so we're gonna try and pull up as much gunk as we can. Look at what we pulled out of the trunk today. I bet the owner will be happy it's out of their car now. We're gonna tackle the interior with a little different tactic today. We're gonna use some all-purpose cleaner with a steamer instead of a brush today. Bought the steamer about 6 months ago, but haven't used it much, so we're gonna see if it does a better job than usual. After the steamer did nothing less than an exceptional job on the interior, I thought I'd try out the brush and just compare the two. Now that we got the whole car looking brand new, we're gonna use some Natural Shine by Chemical Guys, get the inside, floor mats, and a little bit of the extra interior looking shiny and brand spanking new. With using a different applicator pad, of course, we're going to do the same exact thing for the tires. Well, as you guys may have noticed when we were drying the car off earlier, we didn't really dry off any windows. Well, that's by design. By the end, they're all dry with watermarks on them. Obviously, you don't want that on them. So we're gonna go over it with some streak-free glass cleaner with some microfiber towels and get them looking clear.
Just finished a full detail up on this Yukon. Took about 5-ish hours, give or take. So she's looking brand new again, which I'm excited about. Hope the client will be happy with it. Smelling new on the inside too. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of how it went, and here's some clips from the detail.